everyone, it's Meiyue here. Today we are going to experience driving a new energy vehicle in China.
You know, it seems like we're always hitting the road when we hang out.
We've got another friend joining us today. Let's meet him.
How about you introduce yourself?
Hi there, it's An Jianlong, a product manager at Great Wall Motors. I'll be taking you guys on a test drive of our Haver Xiaolong Max.
On July 3rd, a significant milestone was reached in China, the production of the 20 millionth new energy vehicle. The China Association of Automobile Manufacturers reports that in the first 5 months of this year alone, over 3 million new energy vehicles were produced, accounting for a whopping 27.7% of total vehicle sales. China has been leading the globe in new energy vehicle production for 8 consecutive years. The country's new energy vehicle market has transitioned from being policy and subsidy driven to a stage where product innovation and market demands are the primary drivers. The acceptance rate among consumers, variety of available models, and density of charging and battery exchange infrastructure have all seen tremendous growth. Affordable Chinese electric vehicles have not only changed the mode of transportation for the Chinese people, but also driven the popularity of new energy vehicle overseas. A large number of Chinese automakers have begun to establish overseas operations. With its close proximity, Pakistan has become one of the first beneficiaries of the export of new energy vehicles.
Over here we have the speakers, and this is where you charge your phone. It's a wireless charger, and this is my display screen up front.
I'll show you the gadgets. You can watch movies, you can play them on this screen or that one.
That's pretty cool. And there's a sunroof as well.
Let's open the sunroof.
Hello, Havel. Open the sunroof.
Wow, it's opening.
You can control it using voice commands.
You could even stand up in here.
Thanks, but no. How long does it take to design a car?
Less than 3 years, specifically 26 months.
What's your approach to designing? I feel this car is already perfect. How would you improve your design?
Innovation never ends. For instance, currently we have 3 12.3-inch screens. In the future, we might see 14-inch screens. Right now, this car is quite advanced. But years from now, new technology may appear, and we'll incorporate that in our new models. Earlier, when there was a person nearby, it's done, let's get out and see how well it parked.
There are so many people who can drive but struggle with parking. Check this out. The distance is even on both sides.
After today's test drive, I'm really impressed by how advanced this car is, especially the automatic parking feature, which I love.
Well, I can take you to the production workshop to see how this car comes to life.
production and testing, ensuring product consistency and reliability.
And then over here, we have 100.
We are standing before the Howell Tech.
This is the adaptive lumbar support seat.
Let's give it a try.
Some women use cushions in their cars during long, tiring drives. But with this seat, a near cushion inflates when you sit, molding to the shape of your lower back and reducing fatigue.
Such a considerate feature.
We have an intelligent home system built into the car. You can control your smart devices in your room, like the TV, air conditioner, or robot vacuum, with just a few presses in your car.
Hi, turn on the AC in the living room.
It is turned on. This means you can cool your house before you step in, right from your car.
This feature is quite neat.
So, it seems like Great Wall Motors has put a lot of thought into their customers' needs, considering different nationalities have different demands. As a Pakistani, what are your top expectations in a car if you were to buy one?
I would prefer it to be safe. Safety first.
Then let's find out a car that offers superior safety, particularly for women.
These two cars are specifically suited for women. This is our Oracle Cat, one of our top-selling models, sporting a cute exterior design.
I've been tracking this car for a while because they've done something I find quite courageous. While crash test dummies are traditionally modeled on male physiques, this car pioneers the use of female propulsion dummies for safety tests. It's a huge step in advocating for women's safety. It's indeed considerate.
In that case, I might just drive you back to Pakistan in this. We are back from our tour of factory and tech center. I was blown away by the full automation in the factory. It was my first time witnessing an entire production process being accomplished by robots. A truly meaningful innovation. Thumbs up to them.
Thumbs up indeed.
That's where we'll wrap up our video. Bye!